Want to convert video to audio through your iPhone? Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert video to audio through your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open the shortcut app. Tap the plus icon from the top right corner. Now rename the shortcut from the top. Tap on New Shortcut from the top. Then tap Rename. Type Converter to rename. Tap Done from the keyboard. Then tap the eye icon at the bottom. Now enable the Show in Share sheet. Tap Done from the top right corner. Now tap the input box. Now disable all the options except media. Now tap Done from the top right corner. After that, tap on the search box at the bottom. Type Encode. Then select Encode Media. Now tap on the arrow icon to encode media. Enable audio only. After that, again tap on the search box at the bottom. Type Search, then tap Save File. Now tap on the arrow icon to save file. Make sure to enable Ask Where to Save after that. Tap Done from the top right corner. Now go to the home screen, open Photos app, open up your video, which one you want to convert to audio. Tap on the Share icon at the bottom. Swipe up the pop-up options. Find out Converter. Tap on it. Choose the file to save. Then tap Open from the top right corner. Now open the Files app and check. Hope it works. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.